Hi guys, hope you're all well and had a nice evening. Today we're going to continue with our maths learning. Our learning question for today is, can I sort 2D shapes? So lots of learning today based on sorting 2D shapes. Now before we start, I'm going to give you a quick maths test of being fluent in 5 minutes. So I'm going to ask you to pause the video and go and get a piece of paper and a pencil, and then when you come back, we're going to start the maths test. Pause the video, off you go. Okay, so now that you're back, you should have a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil in your hand. I'm going to give you a list of questions, and I would like you to answer them in 5 minutes. You'll need to pause the video and then unpause it when you are ready. Okay, now the questions are going to be based on times tables. Remember, you can draw your arrays, draw your counters. If you need to work out how many groups you need to make to work out the answer, you can use your fingers to work out the groups and write your answer, or you can use a number line. Remember our learning. Okay, so are you ready for the questions? Off you go. Pause the video and try out these questions. Off you go. Okay, so by now you would have answered all your questions. Let's work out the answers together. You can tick as you go along to see if you got the right answer. 3 groups of 2, 3 times through 2. So if you had used arrays, you would have gone 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, like that. Okay, and all together 2, 4, 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 groups of 2, if you open 5 fingers and you count in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10. 5 times 2 is 10. Well done. 6 times 2 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8. And 10 groups of 2 is 20. I wonder how many you got right. Fantastic, guys. Okay, so ready to move on? Our learning for today is, can I sort 2D shapes? Now I have a little girl here who's trying to sort her shapes into 2 boxes. One box says blue stripy shapes, and the next box says shapes with more than 5 vertices. More than 5. Vertices are corners, okay, of my shape. Which shape will not go in either box? So I'm going to first find all my blue stripy shapes and put them in there. So this one goes here, this one goes here, and this one goes here. Shapes with more than 5 vertices, so more than 5 corners. Let me get a different color. 5 vertices. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one has 7. So this shape will go in this box. What about this shape, I wonder? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More than 5. So this shape goes into this box. Which shape does not go in either box? The triangle. Well done, because it doesn't have blue stripes and it only has 3 vertices. Which shape has the most vertices? Okay, let me take it all off again. Which shape has the most vertices? It was this shape, wasn't it? Let's count how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's called an octagon. Let me change the color of the pen. An octagon is an 8-sided shape. Okay? Think of an octopus with 8 legs. So an octagon is an 8-sided shape and it has the most vertices. Next question. What labels could go on the boxes? So we've got some shapes here, but we don't know what names we could call the boxes. Let's see what this girl here says. I think a polygon is a shape with straight sides. So a polygon is a shape with 2D shape with straight sides. I know that circles, ovals and semicircles are not polygons because they all have curves. So the word polygon means a shape with straight sides. So, are my triangles, do my triangles all have straight sides? They do, exactly. So these are polygons. What about my shapes? Do they all have straight sides? They do. These are also polygons. And what about these ones? Do they have straight sides? No, they have curves, so they're not polygons. So you could say for this box, I might call it not polygons. But then I have two boxes that are polygons. I could say polygons for this box with, how many sides do you have? 3 sides, well done, with 3 sides. And this one would be polygon with more than 3 sides. Polygon with, I'll write it down here, more than 3 sides. You see how we've sorted it into different categories? Alright, so we've got polygons. Remember, polygon is a shape with straight sides, polygon with 3 sides, polygon with more than 3 sides, and these are not polygons. That's how we sorted these shapes out. Let's go to the next question. Sort these shapes into order by number of sides from the fewest number of sides to the most. So that means the question is asking me to count all the sides of the shapes first, and then I've got to sort them with the smallest number of sides with the most number of sides. So first, let's count how many sides each shape has. Okay, 1, 2, 3, my triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides here for my hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides here for my pentagon. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides here for my octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Finally, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have to sort them from the fewest to the most. So fewest, which is the smallest number, A. So I'll put A first. And then what do I have next? I have D, which is 4 sides, comma, and then F, E and F, both the same number of 5 sides. So I'll put E first, and then F, and then I have C, which is 6 sides, and then finally, which has the most sides? Well done, B has the most sides. So now I've sorted it into fewest sides to most sides. Right, this is a challenge question. It says, think of your own ways to sort these into 2 groups. I've got to sort my shapes here into 2 groups. You can sort them by lines of symmetry. You can sort them into different ways. So we've got triangle, 3 sides, 4 sides, 4 sides, 4 sides, 3 sides. I wonder, how would you sort it? Pause the video and have a think. How would you sort the video? How would you sort the shapes? Okay, so how would you have sorted? You could have said 3 sides and not 3 sides. That's one way of doing it. You could have said quadrilaterals and not quadrilaterals. Remember quadrilateral? Quadrilateral, shapes that have 4 sides. We learned this last week, okay? So you could say quadrilateral and not quadrilateral. That's another way of sorting it as well. You would have thought of many different ways. So I hope you understood that. Remember, today is all about sorting shapes. So in a minute, you're going to stop the video and you're going to go onto Google Docs and answer the questions on there. Okay, guys? See you all very soon. Bye.